Increasing the motor speed on the Acmeda battery motor. There are 3 speeds available: low, medium and high. Open the battery cover on the remote. Press P2 once. Press up twice. The motor should jolt twice and beep once. If your motor only jolts once plus 1 extended beep, you've gone too far and you've turned on the soft stop feature. To turn the soft stop feature back off, search our channel for Acmeda Soft Stop Off. If we've helped you, please help us by hitting that free subscribe button to find us easier next time. Won't cost you anything, but will most certainly help us a lot. We're not just a YouTube channel, we are real people making real products. Speedy Blinds is a super quick blinds and curtains manufacturer in Melbourne, and we don't muck around. If you're after a Speedy supplier or have any questions, please get in contact with us and we can do our best to help you.